Hi, I'm David Horowitz with Nordeon USA. Nordeon is an indoor architectural lighting company with a strong presence in big box, retail, and supermarket chains worldwide. I'm going to show you this Baldur trunking system. The trunking system includes the trunk, which is up to lengths of 12 feet, that are capable of continuous row mounting, and the actual fixtures that come in various lengths from 3.5 feet to 7.5 feet that plug into the trunk. The trunk is hanging first, and where you need linear lighting, there's 7 different optic varieties. So we have anything from a double asymmetric for aisle lighting, for example, or just a regular diffused optic for general ambient lighting. And then you can add spotlighting along the row where you need it. You can even add blanks sections, so you're not using as much energy along that entire row. If there's any maintenance that is necessary, or if you need to move fixtures around, they simply pop out. All the electrical components are on the actual unit, so anyone can do it. You don't need a licensed electrician, just for maintenance or to move fixtures around. And then it just pops right back in. For different parts of your store, you're going to need different fixtures. So each fixture has its various lumen output, its various beam angles. There's 7 different optics for the linear product. There's 2 various for the spotlights. It's got various mounting options for either a T-grid ceiling or an open ceiling application where you might use a looped cable or a jack chain. It's adjustable along the entire spine of the fixture, so the mounting clips actually very easily snap into the back of the fixture, and you can slide it up or down where needed. And also, one of the advantages is you only need a mounting cable every 13 feet. This system comes standard in black, white, and silver, and is available in any custom RAL color you'd like. The Baldur trunking system is very competitively priced. It's DLC qualified, so it qualifies for rebates from the utility and has a very fast payback. So thank you for watching, and for more information, please check us out at nordeon-usa.com.